Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Simbot Menteri Ramba Kajila Ubderu Hajokapor Menteri Bakmi Yakatanat Penroisar Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar. Ulaong Bamenta Shimladan Dinti Belabo Kyrpang Nakabenta Banyat Ki Cycle Electric Shillong. Hendai Udang Yakran Bat Katanat PWD Nakabenta Ban Shna Yakijakanya Cycle New Shillong Haki Surok Badang Shna Thamai. Ya kani ula jubab halor kejingkeli bendrap belakeli do MLA Kalyang Persha na North Shillong constituency uba adalbert nongrum hadian kejingkeli ba ula bo halor keru kompanyat ya ke ride Shillong e-bike uba adalbert ula ong kumno na ban penankam mikini ki cycle belabo da sarkar jila nak benta ban penduna ya ke hengkeli haba kam shimdan ke Surok ba Kyrpang nak benta ki Nongñiah cycle bakin long shangan haba kinya haki Surok. Habo jubab ya kini uba Sniawbhalang ulaong baki bullet traffic kin sapenbet lada don ki banya ikin ki cycle ha ke Surok PWD kenang bakanum don kenu jingma ya ki Nongñiah cycle uba adalbert ulaong balada ka longkumta omdei ban penut ka ya ke pisau pat ba nak benta kanik project right Shillong bat kumno ka sarkar kan le nak benta kanik project ke baklem yat kam habo jubab ya kini Menteri Ramba Kajila ulaong baka jingbu ya kanik project Kedai nak benta bandong kelat banlat nak jing thengkali bat menta kadang yat bat uda ongru baka sarkar ka pediang lada ki dukhat Kalyang Persha ki ajingmut hendai ban syuken tho kat ka baka sarkar ka le ya kata ka jingmut de ban penkala bat dei ban yatrilang shu Menteri Rangba uda ongru baki don hadu khandu spangut ki bala pelan kam ki cycle electric bat ha ni project om shimla pendut da ka pisa sarkar hendai kedai ke bala senyang da ka German agency daga jia trilang bat ke sarkar ban persyang kumno ban penyat yakani ka kam hadian habodru.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 56. A. Sir, there is no fund sanctioned by the governments of Meghalaya for right Shillong e-bike sharing launched by the Chief Minister. B. Sir, 20 electric cycles were rented under the Sumaka Sustainable Urban Mobility, Air Quality, Climate Actions and Accessibility Project. C. Sir, the project was implemented by Urban Affairs Department with support of the GIC, Deutsche Gesellschaft for International Zusammenarbeit as part of the Sumaka Sustainable Urban Mobility, Air Quality, Climate Action and Accessibility Projects. D. Charter by Private Limited, plot number 42A/2, Khata number 132, situated at village Shillong, Thana number 212, district Ranchi, Jharkhand A34010. E, sir. Sir, no.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Honorable Minister who had made a reply, I would like to put some supplementary to this very project, which I feel surprised when I look at it answer to A and B. But since Honorable Minister had replied that not from the government but from SUMACA, let me put a supplementary question so that the House may get enlightenment. Supplementary 1. Whether there is any provision in the PWD roads of Shillong for a dedicated lane for cyclists to ride their cycles? Because after all, it is a policy matter.
Mr. Speaker, sir, presently most of the road within the Shillong city there was no provision for a cycling track. Yes, for a new project, for example, that new road which has been constructed in New Shillong, all the newly constructed cycle track has been provided. So we are discussing it. But within the old Shillong, as well as within the city, there are the road is narrow. There is more or less no cycle track, but for the new projects I discussed with the PWD department, we are make sure that especially in the new township, all the newly constructed cycle track has been provided.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, second supplementary, I would like to put forth on the day that the Honorable Chief Minister launched the Right Shillong project by himself, riding a cycle on the Pirudi road towards Kendailat, along with fitness celebrity Milan Suman, and with certain IAS advisors. I want to ask whether the Chief Minister and his group were riding the cycle on a dedicated lane for cyclists, or were they riding the cyclists in the middle of the road on a lane, means for normal vehicles, after police personnel and security have first cleared the traffic on the road? May I get a clarity on this?
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually no fixed route were assigned, but during that times, we had all the users were permitted to travel across the permissible public road within the Shillong, subject to traffic rules and safeguard guidelines in coordination with the traffic rules, with traffic police.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Through you again, Mr. Speaker, sir. So if that is the case, so how can a project like Right Shillong be implemented successfully if there is no previous arrangement with Pirudi roads in Shillong for providing a dedicated lane for cyclists to ride their cycles? Will traffic in Shillong suddenly clear the way for cyclists from Right Shillong when they come on Pirudi roads?
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, I already replied, yes. When the cycle was right, we are coordinating with the police traffic so that there will be no harm to the cycle riders.
Because as a traffic concern, congestion is a huge cry in Shillong city as well in Shillong agglomeration. We all know the fact. Because of this reason, we should not waste the time, the project that we are implementing. Because of that, the reason, I would like to put one more supplementary through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. If that is the case, whether the government will blacklist the advisors and consultants who came up with the flawed idea in Right Shillong project, because the Right Shillong project is like building a bridge when there is no river. Surely somebody must be held accountable for wasting public money. May I get clarity?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the objective of the Urban Affairs Department and the government as a whole is to ensure that we find ways and means to be able to address issues of traffic, address issues of sustainability, address issues where we find ways in which we can find sustainable transportation modes. Now, it's precisely the thought processes which are going on in the Honourable Member's speech and in his mind is what is restricting us from innovating. Sir, as a government and as a society, we need to try. We need to innovate. We need to find new ways and means. If even before trying, we say we are not going to do anything, then we're going to be standing still and will never move forward as a society and as a government and as a state as a whole. Clearly, sir, in this particular reply, it's mentioned that none of government's money was spent. This was a grant, a contribution made by the German agency in collaboration with us to experiment and see how to move forward, because we do desire to see that in the future, that cycling, walking is something that is promoted. Because once that happens, we will be able to see the congestion go down in the state, in the city as a whole. So it is quite sad to hear, honorable members, where we should be really looking at positive ways to move forward. are here to criticize the initiative and the steps being taken by the government to find better solutions. Having said that, sir, we are not saying that everything we do will succeed perfectly the way we want. We will face challenges, sir. But the point is that we try, we face challenges, we see hurdles in front of us, we change and adapt accordingly, and then we move forward. And that's how society and state and government moves forward. Now, if you look at, sir, the small steps of removing the hawkers and giving them space, that has created walking space now. Like that, sir, will be overall, hopefully in the days to come, we have plans that in the new Shillong site, there are going to be cycling tracks. So therefore, sir, these are all larger long-term visions that we have. And therefore, I'm happy that the Honorable Member has asked this. And I must congratulate the Urban Affairs Department for taking that initiative. It's not a simple thing, sir. It's not a simple thing. To always try to find solutions and innovations is a big thing, sir. And so you'll be happy to know that almost 1,600 people have actually used the bikes. 1,600 people have actually used these bikes. Yes, Honorable Members' suggestions are welcome. You may please give us suggestions on how to improve things. But looking at something and government doing something and always finding that we have to criticize what government does is a mindset I would urge that Honorable Members must change. We must work together, opposition and ruling. Let's be constructive in our discussions. If you find that there are problems there, give suggestions and we're happy to incorporate those suggestions.
So, one more supplementary. Thank you for the reply made by Honorable Chief Minister. I fully understand about the motive, the clear objective of the government. I appreciate. And you must have seen in every platform, and even in this August House, even though I belong to the opposition, I always stand by my right, by my principle. Whether if I have to criticize, I'll do that. If I have to praise the government, I'll surely do that. Because why? The ultimate goal is not about how much opposition or how much ruling can contribute, can deliver, but how much we can see the light of the day for our people at large. So if that is the case, then may I put one more supplementary. Whether the government proposes to expand the right Shillong e-bike sharing project to other parts of Shillong or other urban areas of Meghalaya, and timeline for such expansion.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. We will do it differently after everything will be in place. That's why when Honorable Same supplies reply that we are on the trial process. Definitely, your suggestion is well taken.